Hi guys, get ready with us to go to Uptown BGC Mall with my baby. Can you show your face? It's my baby. So first, we use the Advanced Nail White Peptide Eye Cream para mawatanggal ang atong mga eye bags sa sigipula guys. Gamay lang guys. Actually, diri dapat na siya butang sa ring finger. Ganahan ko ani guys kay mawala ang puffiness sa ako ang eye bags. Para fresh ta guys, para malagulay eye bags. Next is, I'm using this Advanced Snail White Power Essence. Para itong gamiton para ma-moisturize ang ato ang skin. After this, going to use this Active Color Corrector. Butang nato ni siya sa under eye and here. By the way, ulan day kaayo diri karon sa Manila, guys. So, ang plano namo is magbinondo, Quiapo Church, Luneta, Intramuros, and Pasig River. Bao na ang amuang day 2 diri sa Manila. Kaso, ulan man kaayo, and since dool man mi sa BGC, so sa BGC na lang mi, sa Uptown Mall na lang sa imo adto guys. After that, I'm using this One and Done Bronzer Sticks. Hindi na ako magbutang og kari guys, karing color niya. Dili ala ako sa brush since ana man na siya color da. Pang refine lang sa jaw. Kay tambok na kaayo ta guys. Dili ala na siya dapit guys. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm like wide awake. Like parang natutulog lang ng 12 hours. Diba? Setting spray. So, I'm gonna wear this shorts we bought from Uniqlo. This plain white shirt from Uniqlo. Just simple like this guys. And then wear our watch. And after this one, we wear our New Era cup I bought from Backpack Davao City. And to pair, I'm going to use my Merrell Hydro Next Gen. Basta something ano. I'm gonna use this as my sapatos for today. Tada! This is my outfit sa BGC Uptown Mall. And this is my baby Andre. Same outfit guys. Done! So, in Uptown Mall, it's indoors. So, just go and stroll and check for some outfit and shoes and shirts or pants that we want to buy and bring to Davao City to wear, since we are a very cat human being in the world full of essence of the humanoids. So basically guys,